Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First you will need to turn on your watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the home button. Keep holding it until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Huawei Health application on your phone. And this part is a bit tricky, because to download it, we need to download the Huawei app gallery, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, first, make sure you have internet connection on your phone and the Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the browser on the web browser on your phone. It can be any web browser. I'm just gonna use Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, tap on search and type in app gallery.huawei.com and tap on search. This should bring you to this page basically, and on this page you should see this button right here in the top left corner. Tap on it, tap on install app gallery. This will start downloading the app basically. And once the app is downloading, you can tap on the open here to open it, or you can tap on menu icon in the browser, tap on downloads, and then find the file right here, tap on it to open it. And as you can see, we don't have the permissions to install the apps from unknown sources via the Google Chrome browser. So we can tap on settings, it will redirect us here, and we can tap on allow from this source. And once you do, you will get the pop-up and you can tap on install to install the app gallery. And once the app gallery is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Tap on next, agree, and you can allow or deny the permission. Tap on OK. And now you should see the main page of the app gallery. Tap on search and type in Huawei Health. And tap on search. And you should see this application, Huawei Health. Tap on the install button next to it. Again, you will need to allow the permission for the unknown sources, so we need to tap on settings. Tap here, go back, and tap on install again. And it should start installing the application. And once the application is done installing, oh no, never mind, it's done downloading. Now we can tap on install button to install it. My bad. So let's wait until it's done. Okay, and now it's done. Once it's done installing, you will see the open button and you can tap on it to open the application. Okay, and here we need to select the services or service region. You can tap on the window right here to open the whole list. You can scroll through the list of regions, find the one you like to use, and tap on it to select it. I'm just gonna select United Kingdom, so I'm gonna go back and leave it on that. Then let's tap on next, tap on next, agree, and you can allow or deny some permissions. I'm just gonna allow them, but if you want to deny them, you can also do that. And now you should see the health page of the application. Tap on the devices icon, tap on add device, tap on OK, allow the permission for the location, and after a couple of seconds, the app should detect your watch. Tap on link, and now we need to log in into a Huawei ID account. So tap right here, enter the email address, and tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, this took a while because I also had to enter the code from the SMS for some reason. But anyway, once you log in, probably you will get redirected to the health page again. You can then tap on devices, tap on add, and once the app detects your watch, tap on link. Here you can allow or deny the permission. Let's tap on retry. For some reason I didn't want to connect. Oh, this time it got it. So basically we need to confirm the pairing on our watch. Then tap on pair. And here we can enable or disable the auto download updates, packages and stuff like that. Check the boxes you like, and then tap on continue. Here tap on done, tap on continue, and right here we can enable or keep the notifications disabled. So basically we can enable or disable the notifications for our watch. So you can, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch, tap on enable. If you don't, tap on cancel. I'm just gonna tap on enable. This will redirect us to this page. Here we need to find the Huawei Health application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And once you go back to the app, you will see that the notifications will be enabled, and you can customize the settings for your notifications by tapping on the switches. And once you're done, you can tap on done button. We can allow more permissions or deny them. I'm just gonna allow it, because we want to receive the notifications. Basically, those permissions were needed for the notifications. If you want to receive them, you need to allow certain permissions. Okay, here we have a tutorial how to measure the blood pressure. And once you're done, you should see this page, basically device page for our Huawei Watch D. And our watch should be ready to use. So if we wake up the screen on it, as you can see, we can use it. So that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.